How to make YouTube thumbnails on your iPad with free app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, you will need to download this app Canva. You can get this app easily from the App Store. You can just open your App Store, search for the app Canva and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch this app. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top, you will see this option of create a design. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of YouTube thumbnail. Then you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you're going to find tons of examples for the thumbnails. You can go ahead and select any of these. So you can edit the text. You can also select the font color, likewise font size. According to your choices, you can also add other elements. You can delete any of the existing element by clicking on it and clicking on this delete icon. Now over here you'll find this section of elements. Click on it. Now you can search for any of the element that you want to add in your thumbnail. Different options will appear. Go ahead and select the option that you want to add in your thumbnail. Now you can place it. If you want to change the background color, you can click on the whole thumbnail and then click on this icon given over here. Then you can select the preferred color in this way. And once your thumbnail is ready to download it, you can click on this icon given over here. And it's in the process to be downloaded. Well, this way you can easily make YouTube thumbnails on your iPad with free app. By following the same steps, you can easily create other thumbnails, as in this page you're going to find tons of options. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to make YouTube thumbnails on your iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.